UNgqongqoshe uSimelane uthi umnyango wakhe uzibophezele ekutholeni izindawo lapho kuzokwakhiwa khona izindlu zesikhashana zezisulu zezikhukhula. Izindimbane zabantu zisale dengwane ngesikhathi kuhlasele imvula enamandla esifundazweni emasontweni amabili.
I went to Ward 5 yesterday evening to just look at the area where we've already granted the municipality permission to put and recycle over 1,000 households which emanate from the 2022, 2024 and currently 2025 flood. So I'm anticipating that we'll be able to fund that project in the next financial year being April going on.
Isifundazwe sabelwe imali engu-100 million wamarandi ukulekelela kumonakalo wenziwe izikhukhula.
We understand that the floods hit mostly in KwaZulu-Natal, and that is why our emergency funding, almost half of it we allocated to KwaZulu-Natal to try and repair the damage that we will be having time and time again.
Umnyango uthi uhlele nokwakhela izindlu imindeni ethintekile ngenxa yezikhukhula, kanti unxuse abantu kuba bengakho ezindaweni ezinobungozi. Bangama-22 kabantu abashonile kulandela izikhukhula ezishaye kakhulu izindawo ezisogwini oluseningizimu yesifundazwe.